Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Banking Professionals Make It Possible. So I hope you all are doing well with your study and taking good care of your health. Today I am going to share something which is a random click in my mind. I think it should be shared with you. So that's why I am just recording my screen to let you know that without reading editorial how you can improve your English. I am on Google page, which is a random page on your Google Chrome in mobile applications. So as you can see that I'm just scrolling it, and here it is the Google News from Google. So I was scrolling it, and what I found here, you can see Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan drug case. So I just random clicked on this and start reading, because I always say that it doesn't matter which topic you are reading, it should be in English. It can be any book, any article, any magazine, any positive book, any grammar book, or it can be a article of your choice. So I just clicked it and I started reading. So how it will be helpful for you, so I'm just highlighting few statement to let you know that what I found. NCB chief has reportedly told the special NDP code, right? So whenever you find this statement, this type of statement in your grammatical issue, like whenever we found correct the statement, or what is the mistake, or what is the grammatical error, so you are saying the highlighted portion. So if I use reported, NCB chief has reported told the special NDP code, so you will just, whenever you read such type of statement, you will find that it is not correct reported, it should be reportedly, because you don't know the exact grammar which is used here, but we know that in the reading time we have read it reportedly, so it will help you to correct your grammatical portion, right? Just after scrolling it for the next, what I found, two affidavits have reportedly been filed in the case. So two affidavits, here you can see all these things are plural, and whenever someone use that two affidavits has reportedly been filled, then you will find that it should be have, it will not be has, it should be have. Why? Do you know the grammatical rule why it is have or has? No, but what you did, you did reading, and reading has the more power than the grammar to improve your English. It will improve your vocabulary, it will improve your understanding level, it will improve your grammatical, it will improve your descriptive, it will improve your fluency in English reading, and it will also improve your speaking confidence as well. So that's why I always suggest you to follow any English article, to read it and try to understand it. You will feel boring from the very beginning, but whenever you do it on continuous basis, you will find it interesting. As I shared that I was sitting on my study table, and I was just scrolling my Google to see the current news, and I find this, and the random click in my mind was I should share this article with you all, so that you can get a rough idea that how to improve or how to switch to other topics which will be helpful in your English improvement other than editorial, because everybody knows that editorial is not so interesting topic unless you are interested in English, but we have to improve it because we have to be a banker in other than RRB, so it will be helpful for you other than editorial. So you can just switch to it for a short time, like if you are reading editorial for 5 days and you are feeling boring, or you are feeling bored for the 6th day, so you can read these types of articles or any article of your choice according to your choice. So it can be like you can see that a science teacher explained how is sleeping related to memory. So I like the article, so I will just click it and I will read it again. Many of you will be interested in technology, so you can also check this Sony Xperia Pro I bring 1.0 inch sensor. So it might possible that it is of your choice, so you can also read this, or you can read any of your choice which you are comfortable with. So that's all for this session. I hope you all liked it. If you really liked it, then please hit the like button and do subscribe the channel for the further updates. See you soon. Have a nice day. All the best. Bye.